came to CHAP after my son Connor was diagnosed with a brain tumor in the hospital, and we met CHAP in the hospital a couple different places. I think I did some beadwork while I was waiting for him to come out of surgery one time, and then you guys were also up in the outpatient chemotherapy area when he started chemotherapy.
We were just kind of dealing with his cancer diagnosis at the time, kind of stressed out in life in general, and then the surgery on top of it. I just remember people being there and helping pass the time while Connor was in surgery. It was a good introduction to CHAP for us.
First thing I remember about CHAP is making duct tape wallets. CHAP means a place to make art for free, which is awesome.
From the very beginning, our focus has been on doing what the kids want, asking the kids, and so as much as possible we like to focus on the process and not the outcome. Often we'll meet a family in the hospital, and what we really love is when we're also able to continue that relationship with the child and the family afterwards when they come to our studio for art club.
He had just turned 5 when we started coming into the studio, and his sister was not even 2 yet, and Lyla and I would often just come and spend the time there too. It was really nice for them to be in a space together.
When I come to CHAP, I feel happy.
Last year, over 700 people served in volunteer roles with us. They donated over 11,000 hours of time. It's just incredible. What I would love to say is thank you. Thank you to our incredible staff who is so committed. Thank you to the volunteers who give so much of their time and their energy and their skills. And thank you to supporters who give generously. So all of those things make it possible to bring the healing power of art to children and families.
Well, I just feel like CHAP gives and gives and gives, and we've received so much from CHAP, and we're so thankful.
I'm going to say thanks to CHAP supporters.
I don't know how to say thank you to people enough. It's been really special for us. Our kids have practically grown up, coming and having great experiences. It's been amazing.
CHAP's part of our family.